100 crochet product ideas you can start your new business with. Wall hanging. Vases. Organizers. Handbags. Curtain rings. Planters. Purses. Keychains. Pouches. Baskets. Bouquet. Flowers. Bluetooth holder. Clutches. Ponchos. Cup covers. Bracelets. Carry bags. Personalized gifts. Valentine Day gifts. Crossbody bags. Cushions. Warehouse. Flowers. Curtains. Themed decor. Hair accessories. Winter uppers. Coin holders. Hair clips. Winter shawls. Dining table mats. Dory. Lamp covers. Stuffed toys. Mobile covers. Shaped cushions for kids. Artificial flowers vines. Caps. Earrings. Gift boxes. Ladies' gloves. Blankets made from macrames or crochets. Select just 2 or 3 crochet products and start your business. That's all you need. You don't have to make everything. Focus on items that people already buy: table runners, placemats, coasters, or small decor pieces. These products are lightweight, reusable, and always in demand for homes, cafes, and gifting. Crochet works because it combines low cost with high perceived value. Yarn is Afa.